Hi, this is part 3 of Curvature of Space-Time. I've got a question for you guys. If space and time are bent into basically a half-circle curve, then is a straight line actually straight? And the answer to that question is yes, a straight line is straight. But every story has a beginning, middle, and end to it. And what I'm going to do is show you how that half circle curve actually, it takes up 1/4 of a complete circle. I take it back, it takes up a half circle, but as you rotate it around, if you have, psychologists say there are 4 most basic types of personalities. That half circle curve, one person may have one type of personality. Another person may have another here at the bottom type of personality. The guy over on this side may have this type of personality, and as it comes back over, the guy on top may have another kind. So that third characteristic, like, opposite, and different, that third characteristic is the one that sort of shows you how one thing is just different from another. Well, a straight line is straight. So suppose out in outer space there was a perfectly straight highway 1,000 miles long, and a man begins a journey at point A, and his final destination is going to be at point B at the end of 1,000 miles. As that man begins walking, that curve of space and time and those 3 basic characteristics, his similarities to the things he sees along the way or just to anything that might be in his path, his differences, opposing characteristics to those things, and his general difference as a whole, the way in which his physical body is moving through space is actually taking into consideration all 3 dimensions and all 3 characteristics along that man's journey. As I said, every story has a beginning, middle, and end, and for any of us who have ever read a book, the beginning of the book sets the stage for the center of the book, which is the main content, and the ending of the book sort of sums up the beginning and the basic content. So every story you've ever read, its beginning, middle, and end, they all are actually all related into one thing, a story. And that's why I say that those 3 characteristics, the likenesses or similarities to the things around it, its opposing characteristics, and its general difference as a whole, they actually form one thing. And in the case of a story, it would be one story or one man's journey as to what he experiences along the way. Anyways, well, that's video 3 for Curvature of Space-Time. This is Dan Bryan with the Bible Institute for Truth and Learning website. God bless you all. Jesus loves you. I love you. Have a great day.